So hello guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Everyone know we do binary trading and we use Olam Trade. So first we open Olam Trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, OLYMP Olam Trade. So we have 12,000 USD dollars. So and pair is GBP USD and its giveaway it's 82 percentage, but first we change pair like Euro USD. Okay, we analyze chart, then second we trade, but I thought we use GBP USD. So first we analyze chart, then second we trade, everyone know. So here we go for $500 sell. Let's see. Okay, now we do sell. Our first entry is active, so let's see guys. Leave a like guys. Okay, here we go for again. Okay, come on, again. Let's see guys, we have only 35 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay, market gone really again downward. Only 10 seconds. Let's see guys. Okay, one. Okay, profit. Oh, market gone really again upward. Let's see. Okay, here we go for again. Let's check it out. New strategy SNR. So we do again. Okay, here we go for again. Let's see guys. Check what happened here. Now here for $500 buy. Let's see. Okay, we have only 10 seconds. Three, two, one. Okay, again profit. Here we go for again buy. Again buy. Only 20 seconds. So we do some patience and let's see. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's again. Let's see guys. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a really big amount. So we earned $13,520 in just 4 minutes. Let's see guys. Here we go for again sell. Now let's see. Okay, let's see guys. Do some patience and Check it result. Okay, market gone really again upward. So it's a really bad news, guys. Market gone really bullish, but let's see. I thought in just few minutes market gone a big reverse or big change. So let's see. So okay, our last trade director. Oh, sorry, last trade. Here we go for again sell, and we have only 22 seconds. Here we go for buy, $500. 30 seconds only. 10 seconds only. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, market gone really big up change. Okay, let's see. So we have only 15 seconds to close our first entry. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the trading, guys. We earn much more amounts and we again lost and we again cover up. So that's a part of trading. So leave a like, guys, and I hope you like my strategy, and I hope you follow me, and I hope you follow my strategy. So if you follow my strategy and it's 100% working, so please comment me because I need your support. So see you guys soon again. Goodbye, and if you are new, so please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates and more videos. See you guys soon. Bye bye.